Good morning students. Today we will discuss exercise 6.1 of NCERT book, in which it is given that in figure 6.13 AB and CD intersect at point O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree. We have to find angle BOE and reflex of COE. Reflex of COE we have to calculate. This is the question. So we have written the given part that AB and CD intersect at O and angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. And we have to find BOE and reflex of COE. Since angle BOD is 40 degree, so we can write angle AOC will also be 40 degree. Reason? These two angles are vertically opposite angle. Then in equation number 1, AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. We can put the value of AOC which is 40 degree. So BOE value can be calculated by subtracting 40 from 70. So we have BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now you see, AB is a line and CO and OE stands on it. So sum of these three angles will be 180 degree by linear pair of angles. So we can write AOC plus BOE plus COE is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two is 70. So COE can be calculated by subtracting 180 minus 70. So we have COE is equal to 110 degree. In my last video, I told you the reflex of COE can be calculated by subtracting COE from 360. So from 360, 110 will be subtracted and we will get reflex of COE. Now students, we will discuss question number 2. It says that in figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at point O. If POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, we have to find the value of C, which is the value of XOM. Now see, we have given the value of A is to B is 2 is to 3. So we can assume A as 2x and B as 3x. So you see, these three angles B, A and POI make linear pair of angles. So we can write angle A plus B plus POI is equal to 180 degree. So A we have assumed 2x, B is 3x and POI is 90 degree. So 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. This 90 can shift that side. So we have 180 minus 90 or 5x is equal to 90 degree. So x will come 90 by 5 which is 18 degree. So value of x has come 18 degree. Now you see this xy and MN intersect at O. So this angle C and angle A plus POI becomes vertically opposite angle. So we can write this angle C is equal to A plus POI. The reason is vertically opposite angles. So A we have assumed 2x. So we can write here 2x and POI is equal to 90 degree. So x value we have calculated 18. So it is 2 into 18 degree plus 19. 2 into 18 is 36 plus 90. So C has come 126 degrees. Now question number 3 says in figure 6.15 angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, and question is to prove that angle PQS is equal to PRT. This we have to prove. So let us see the proof. The sum of these two angles PQS plus angle PQR this is angle PQR plus PQS. These two angles are forming linear pair. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree can be written. Now this PQS, if we are leaving this side, that side we have 180 minus this PQR will move that side. We have 180 minus PQR. But according to the question, PQR is given equal to PRQ. So at the place of PQR, we can put PRQ. Now concentrate here. 180 minus PRQ. PRQ is here. 180 minus PRQ. Will it be PRT? So at the place of 180 minus PRQ, we can put PRT. So hence PQS is equal to PRT proved. In figure 6.16, it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. So we have to prove that AOB is a line. To prove AOB is a line, we have to prove that angle AOB is 180 degree. We can write x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree because angle around a point is 360 degree. At the place of z plus w, we can replace by x plus y. So we have 2 times x and 2 times y, which can be written as 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. 2 can be taken common. We have x plus y is equal to 360. So x plus y is equal to 360 by 2, or we are getting x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y forms a line AB, or angle AOB we are getting 180 degree, which proves that AOB is a line. Question number 5 says, given POQ is a line, and ray OR is perpendicular on PQ. OS is another ray laying between OP and OR. We have to prove that ROS, this angle, is equal to half of QOS minus POS. This we have to prove. For that, let us write this ROS. Can we write angle POR minus POS, which I have written here? ROS is equal to ROP minus POS. ROP is 90 degree minus POS. Similarly, this ROS can be written as QOS minus ROQ, which I have written here. ROS is equal to QOS minus ROQ. ROQ value is 90 degree, which we can substitute here. So ROS is coming QOS minus 90 degree. Now let us add equation number 1 and 2. We have ROS plus ROS is equal to 90 minus POS plus QOS minus 90 degree. This minus 90 and plus 90 will get cancelled, and we can write twice of ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. When this 2 will shift that side, we have ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. Now question number 6 is that given XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, we have to find XYQ and reflex of QYP. First, figure is not given in the question. You have to draw this figure. So, XY is produced to point P and YQ is a bisector of ZYP. So, two angles are formed. Each angle can be taken XX. So, we have assumed QYP is equal to QYZ is equal to X degrees. Now, see, these two X and 64 makes a linear pair. So, we can write X plus 64 is equal to 180 degree. X plus X is 2X is equal to 180 minus 64, which is 116 degree. So, X is equal to 116 by 2, which is 58 degree. So, each X we are getting 58 degrees. Now, we have to find XYQ. XYQ, it is calculated by adding 64 and 58, which I have done here. XYQ is 64 plus ZYQ, which is 58 degrees. So, it is coming 122 degree. Next, we have to find reflex of QYP. QYP already we have calculated 58 degree. So, its reflex is 360 minus QYP. So, 360 minus 58, which is 302 degree. So, student, exercise 6.1 is completed. You will complete exercise 7B of R.S. Agrawal book. And whatever doubts you can ask through message section. R.S. Agrawal book 7B you will have to complete, and next day we will start parallel lines and their properties. Thank you.